Hello everybody, it's the Carbine Cowboy again, coming back to you from the great state of Montana. Hey, if you caught my previous video on the Harrington & Richards Model 900, this is the pistol. It's got a 2.5-inch barrel on it, and I've got it loaded with Remington golden bullets, and I'm going to shoot this thing to see where it hits. I haven't fired this pistol since I was 15 years old. Matter of fact, I think the last time this gun was fired is when I fired it when I was 15 years old. That's been a few days ago. So let's see if I can still hit something with this thing. Well, considering I haven't shot this pistol in about 32 years, out of 9 shots, I hit it 5 times. The rest of them, they were just hitting a tad bit to the right. But that could be me. Like I said, this little pistol has a really short grip. And as you can tell, I've got really big hands. So when I grab a hold of this thing, you know, it's pretty small, but it's a nice little pistol to carry. But for reasonable distances of 15-20 feet, it gets the job done. I just thought I would bring this out for you and let you take a look at it. Like I said, to unload this gun, the cylinder pops out, and all you do, knock the empties out, back in, and she's ready to go. Simplistic. From the great state of Montana, this is the Carbine Cowboy saying, see you next time.